What's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today we have a car salesman who reaches out to a potential customer who inquired about a special type of Dodge Challenger Hellcat. As you know, them cars are very popular. Customer reveals he has a very low credit score and is actually very uppity with the car salesman. Let's get into the video and I'm going to give you my response.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440,
The
450.
400 credit score. And this man is seriously trying to finance I think the car, $150,000 car. He's going to need a very, very, very hefty down payment to make something like that work, and his interest rate is going to be absolutely insane.
You're saying it was, I'm sorry, you said 400? All right, we're gonna be cold calling a customer that inquired about a Dodge Hellcat, one of the Black Ghosts.
Hello, this is Terry.
Hey Terry, this is Alex at Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Hey, just giving you a call about this 2023 Black Ghost Challenger that you inquired about, the one that's one of 300, and just seeing if you had any questions and what I need to do to earn your business.
Yeah, man, I have been looking at cars like that before. This is Alex from Earth Motor Cars.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, my nephew watches you on Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Man, his nephew is going to be quite embarrassed to know that he called up here with a 400 credit score trying to get a finance to improve for a $150,000 car.
Merch or something.
Yeah.
He watches those videos, and he's local, so he been in y'all shop and everything. See all the mo cars and everything y'all got.
Yeah.
So,
Would you be paying cash or financing this car?
this particular one, I'm gonna be financing.
Okay, awesome. And how much money were you planning on putting down, and what's your credit like?
What can you do for me on the car? I see online that car was listed at like 140,000 or something.
Yeah, 158.9 it's online for. Again, there's only 20 miles on it, and it's one of 300. Terry, I'll be honest with you, I don't want to negotiate against myself. I definitely have some room in it to work on it. But you know, I want to get to the credit application first, make sure that we're good to go with the banks and whatnot, and then go from there. Does that work with you?
Yeah, me and my
Knowing that you have a 400 something credit score and entertaining the thought of trying to finance a $150,000 Dodge Hellcat is insane. I mean, if you know anything about these Hellcats, I mean, essentially they're all the same looking, especially on the interior. On the inside, interior is exactly the same, whether you have the base model or you have, like I said, this Hellcat Black Ghost. Like I said, you may have some leather interior, maybe like an upgraded sound, but essentially the car is the same on the inside. I mean, you're pretty much just paying for the engine. That's essentially what you're paying for.
whatever gets me into the car, like
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if I like it, if the numbers sound good, then I'm gonna leave that car. I'm gonna leave with that car. So
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance?
Just listen to the statement he just made. You know, if he likes the car, the numbers make sense, he's going to leave with that car. He's talking like with confidence, all the while knowing this man has a 400 something credit score.
Before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400 to 440,
The
450.
You're saying
Man, he should have just banged the phone after you hear the salesman laughing. He should just hung up and never called back.
it was. I'm sorry. You said 400.
Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's no problem. Do you know how much money you were planning on putting down?
I mean, for something like the vehicle that I'm interested in, probably something like 10,000-15,000. I can come up with that for sure. Like money ain't a problem, so.
money ain't a problem with a 400 something credit score either. He got um, he got a lot of issues with his credit, man. To be at 400, like I said, he need to be taking that 10 to 15 grand and trying to pay off some debt, pay off what he owe, or getting a credit specialist or something, man. Because that 400, 450 is nasty.
Yeah, let me look at this again. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Tara. I'm just gonna be blunt. You'd probably have to go the lease route with it, and probably at minimum 20% down.
You saying like that? I'm gonna have to lease this car. Is what you're saying?
With to get to where you want to be, money down. Yes, sir.
But let me tell you something, Alex. Like I bought cars like this before, and I ain't never had to lease nothing. Like if I'm gonna buy the car, I'm gonna own it. That's what I'm saying. So
Look at that. He says I bought cars like this before and I never had to lease nothing. He talking a little spicy. He talking a little heavy for a guy with a 400 credit score.
No, I get what you're
so
saying. I
that's
mean,
what
if
I'm
you're
trying to do for this vehicle.
yeah, if you were financing, you'd still be technically, it'd still be the banks technically speaking.
Never. I'm gonna be honest with you. I never had to do anything like this in my previous car. Like I got a Bentley Continental, and I ain't had to do nothing like that.
Okay.
So
I guarantee you, I can just tell by the way he's talking. This is probably one of them old, like 2010, 2012 Bentleys. Yeah.
How is it? A older car? Was it a less expensive one than 158 or?
I mean, I don't know what you mean by less expensive. It's a Bentley, but I mean, it's a 2008 Bentley Continental. But
Okay.
I mean,
2008 Bentley Continental. Seems like the average market price $46,000. Far cry from the $150,000 Dodge Hellcat Ghost that he's trying to finance.
I'm just saying, like, I just want to get into this car.
I got you. Yeah, that's no problem. I mean, you said money wasn't an issue, so would you be able to come up with that 60% down?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I mean, I feel like you can make it happen with 15,000-20,000 down. So if you're trying to get my business, then that's what we don't have to do. But I'm gonna just keep walking and find another car somewhere else. I came to you because of my nephew. Like I feel like I can buy a car like this anywhere else. It's a Hellcat. It ain't
Straight embarrassing his nephew. Straight embarrassment.
nothing crazy, but and I'm just saying with my credit and everything. I feel like that shouldn't be an issue to
Yeah.
my business. Like I'm ready in here to buy the car. So
Okay. All right. Well, I'll do that. I'll send you a credit application if that works with you, and then we could just go from there. Does that sound good?
yeah, man, just send it. We figure something out. So.
Okay, Terry. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you very much.
All right, man.
All right, Terry. Bye.
Absolutely nasty work. Like I said, his level of arrogance for somebody with a 400 credit score trying to finance a over $150,000 car, and didn't have the nerve to say, I mean, I've had like cars like this previously. He said he had a Bentley, and then when the salesman followed up, what type of Bentley, what year, what model, this man says a 2008 Bentley Continental. We're in 2024. It's over a 16-year-old vehicle. Like I said, absolutely insane. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think he'll get approved with the 10 to 15,000 down that he has? And not to mention, he took out a loan for that 10 to 15,000 for the down payment of this car, which is absolutely insane. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.